All right, for this lesson in the get-up, we're gonna cover all the way up into the low windmill position, which is a key position to really own the get-up that takes a little bit of practice. So, we've gone over the setup and the roll-up. So, let's say that we're starting from here, all right? So, we're flat on our forearm. Obviously, we've got our imaginary kettlebell in a nice vertical alignment here with the arm, shoulders away from ear. Then we come up to this straight arm. I like to do a little bit of scooching around. You know, when you first come up, you might need to get a little bit closer. You might need to push your fingers away to really get that external rotation through the shoulder there. Whatever you want to do there is fine, because here is where we're going to achieve the sweep. I'm going to show you both the low bridge and the high bridge version. So the low bridge is simply posting up from this foot and this hand, and with a passive leg, bringing that knee directly up under your hip. So no matter how you get here, this is the low windmill position. This is the keystone position. All right? So now let's see about the high bridge. So again, you're really strong here, good tall chest, pushing this knee out just a little bit. Here, the goal is to bridge through both of the hips, but specifically off of this leg, and point your hips diagonal. Okay? And then from here, you've got a lot of space, but still keep this leg loose. Try not to put any tension into it, because if you do, you'll end up doing something like that. Keep it loose, fold and bring it right up under you, so you still get to this same shape. So, let's talk about what this shape should look and feel like. First of all, let's start from this bottom hand. We've got the fingers pointing out, in line with the knee, in line with the shin, in line with the heel. So we've got a straight line here, and then this leg forms that corner, that 90-degree angle. You can also notice that from here, if I have a big weight in my hands, I'm stacked from this shoulder down through this shoulder, okay? This knee is directly up under the hip. Good way to check yourself. Well, this should just be comfortable and stable. A lot of times people end up here. A lot of times people end up way back here. If that happens, you can take your time to reestablish your position, okay? So, however you get to that kneeling windmill position is fine, but make sure that you achieve stability there before you continue on with the rest of your rep.